clinging to our self.
Hey, good morning. Good morning. It's 2:54 a.m. I'm on my way to the gym right now. In my morning ritual. It's been it's been very important lately to be in the moment. And what I mean by be in the moment is I wrote a quote yesterday, and I'll sum it up where I pretty much said you spend a lot of time chasing after what you think you want, never fully understanding that sometimes the here and the now is the essence of life. And whatever you take that to mean, I'm not going to get all super philosophical on you. But at the end of the day, you want brand new purses, you want a brand new car, you want a job that pays you more money, you want more income, financial freedom, you want to travel the world, you want. At the end of the day, you got to ask yourself, are you wanting just to want more? And I guess that's why we kind of live by a code and a standard of having purpose, building something bigger than your next paycheck. Because at some point in time, you have to have, and you do. This isn't even an option. You have to have more purpose, or you just end up living a I want lifestyle, always trying to keep up with what you don't have because it's like your next high. It's like the next thing. It's the next idea. It's the next concept. But it's never really going anywhere because they're all tangible. They're all monetary. And don't get me wrong, I'm not coming to this point in my life where I've completely decided to give up all my monetary values and give up all my monetary goods. That's the furthest thing from my mind. I believe that money is a huge benefactor in anyone's life because it allows to have freedom, in a sense. Freedom to pay your bills because you're going to have bills. So that's, I'm not becoming some type of minimalist. I'm simply saying that if it's not bigger than monetary, then you're constantly chasing after something that just it's not there. It doesn't exist. I went through my closets, and I mean, I'm lean. I said I'm not a minimalist, but boy, I am lean. Some of it has to do with the fact that I'm losing weight due to my workout, and the clothes that used to fit me no longer fit me. So I have to really kind of go back through and change up my wardrobe. But another part of it was just having a bunch of things around me that was simply just clogging up space. Everywhere I look, things. And none of these things have any purpose. None of these things make me happy. None of these things are useful. None of these things um, are bringing any value to me. And when you start seeing yourself with a bunch of things around you that are no longer bringing value, but yet taking up space for you to breathe, space for you to think. Same applies with people. It doesn't necessarily have to be material objects. It could be people who are just taking up space. And that's not even personal because they're just being who they are. That's cool. You being who you are. I get it. I respect that. But I don't have to respect it in my space. I don't have to respect it inside of my what I have going on. So right now, the here and the now is what is most important. And making sure that I am living in a clutter-free life so that I can actually see through what it is that I need to get to is important. And having purpose. not just waking up and just kind of flying by the seat of your pants, or as my coach used to say, shooting from the hip. By having a planned, designated target. Life is super short. And to not maximize every single day is truly a disservice to yourself. Keeping things around that are crowding your space, huge disservice. Wanting with no end in sight, huge disservice. Even if you took a couple days out the week and just use that time to build, you could be putting yourself and generations to come in a situation that could not only propel you into a different atmosphere, but could actually propel your kids and the generations to come inside of a different atmosphere. Because you're not going to leave behind that purse. It's not going to happen. You're not going to leave behind those material things. It's not going to happen. But if you learn to appreciate the purpose, then not only do you have something of value to leave them behind, but you have something of value to work towards every single day. Yesterday, for the life of me, and I called it the Monday Blues. I called it the Monday Blues because it felt like I couldn't get on. But all I had to do was be patient and wait, and it happened.